We finally have snow in the forecast. We're gonna go find higher elevation tonight to camp out and hopefully have ourselves a little winter wonderland. Now, last night, it was kind of unfortunate. There was a lot of unforecasted rain and I kind of soaked the roof canvas, and I had a little bit of a leak back here as well. So I've been trying to dry everything out in the van. I've got to run into town anyway, grab some food, and maybe go take a shower because I'm a little overdue. Oh yeah, I shaved. Do you like it? So my name is Sebastian. I live in this 85 Westie full time. We're almost to Jackson. I'm gonna run those errands and then we're gonna hit the road. I think I have everything I need for dinner tonight. All the errands are done. I ended up getting some coffee filters for a normal coffee maker because I needed to re-up on the little filter papers for my AeroPress. And I ended up just getting those to see if I can't cut out the circle and use that, because a pack of those for $2 opposed to a pack of however many for the AeroPress ones. I don't even know how much those cost, but it's probably not cheap. So we'll see if that works. There's just one thing left to do, and that's to see how far we could drive this old Volkswagen into the backcountry here in Northwest Wyoming. So that's not ideal. It says road narrows, not maintained for full-sized vehicles. It says not maintained. It doesn't say it's dangerous. It also doesn't say I'm not allowed, so. So I've reached a spot on this road that it's probably not the best idea to continue on, because coming up this hill, it gets really slippery and muddy. It must have been from all that rain last night, and you can see how muddy it is coming up here. I'd be able to make it down no problem, but the only thing I'm worried about is if it does snow tonight, then tomorrow it will definitely be an issue. I'm also not seeing any good spots to camp out. I could camp out here, but I mean, the views are all right, but they're not great. I did pass through some cool spots a little further back, so I think I'm gonna turn around and go find one of those spots. I'm also alone out here and I don't want to be caught in a bad situation because I don't have cell service. I do have tire chains, but things could go wrong really, really quick. If I'm being honest, this is probably the best bear attractant out there. Disposing of any leftover meats goes into the trash bag and not outside. In fact, the other day, not last night, but the night before, I was camping out on the other side of town and I had a bear jump up on the van and tried breaking into the van with me in it. Here's a fun one. So I was just chilling in bed right here. No big deal. Top was popped up. I'm out here in the middle of nowhere. Absolutely nowhere in Wyoming. I felt the van, it shook a little bit. I thought it was some wind hitting the top because it'll kind of sway if it's windy. It's not windy out. It stopped shaking. No big deal. Ignore it. And then it happened again, and I heard it sounded like someone was trying to get into the front after that. There's no one out here. I'm all alone. I shine my light right here and look around, and I see a bear is up on the side of my van trying to open this window, which was open, so I guess he closed it. His face was right there. You can see his claw marks. Okay, we're gonna go out and investigate a little bit here. Looks like this guy got straight up on the side of the van here. None of this was there before, or this. Around, make sure he's not behind me. You can tell I'm out here in the middle of nowhere. These guys are pretty big. Whoa. Heard something in the bushes. So this might sound a little ridiculous, but from here on out, I'll be sleeping with the pop top down, at least while I'm camping out in bear country like this. I'm currently in northwestern Wyoming, which is within the greater Yellowstone ecosystem. The grizzly population here is greater than anywhere else in the 48 states. And these tacos are pretty good. I don't want to be sharing them with any grizzly bear. Kind of looks like the forecast changed. Doesn't look like we'll be getting any snow tonight, unfortunately. Who knows? Maybe I'll wake up to a blanket of snow and it'll be beautiful. Fingers crossed, but we won't know until the morning. So I'm gonna finish my tacos, go to bed, and I'll see you guys then. I slept great, and it turns out we actually got some snow out there. Let me get out of bed here and make some coffee. Now I will see if my coffee filter trick will work, and I really hope it does because I really want coffee. I've been drinking this for a couple weeks now, and it's pretty good. It's Highlander grog. There's one way I could describe it. Really good coffee. I have no idea. It's like chocolatey and creamy and delicious. It sure is nice being able to camp out here comfortably in the van. The diesel heater is working hard and it's not that cold. It's only about 30 degrees out here. But with the forecast changing, I was not expecting this snow, so I'm super grateful. I think the plan is just to hang out, and I'm gonna cook up some breakfast and go from there. It's warmed up quite a bit. Looks like almost all the snow has melted off by now. Some pretty good French toast. I want to say thank you guys for subscribing. I've got like over 4,000 subscribers now on this channel, and it is a huge motivation to keep on posting, seeing those numbers grow. If you haven't already, like the video, and you could turn on the little bell notifications so you get notified whenever I post. I do post every Sunday. The time frame when on Sunday that I post is kind of all over the place. Sometimes I post in the morning, sometimes I don't finish editing and rendering until later on Sunday, but regardless, I've been consistent posting Sundays. I'm gonna enjoy this scenery a little bit more, so for now, I'm just gonna relax, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.